Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Onion holder, smart design. Onion holder sharp stitches prevent slippage and cut evenly for greater safety. And pin joints are sturdy, not easy to fall off. Widely used. The onion holder can also be used as a meat tenderizer. Long steel needle penetrates deeply into the meat to improve its taste. It is also easy to clean after use. Light in weight, everyone can use it for cooking. Claim your time. The onion holder for slicing. Save a lot of time for slicing or chopping onions. No more nasty cuts or using nails to hold onion. No more uneven slices or loosing tomato juice on cutting boards. Non-stick turner. Professional grade for home cooks. Meticulously crafted from premium material for unparalleled durability and resilience to high temperatures without getting damaged. Durable enough for restaurants, but designed to make flipping while frying, sautéing, and grilling at home easier than ever before. Precision in every flip. This wide-slotted turner is perfect for cooking a variety of meals. Whether it's delicate eggs, sizzling fish, meaty burgers, or fluffy pancakes, it allows you to fry and flip with ease, ensuring your creations are cooked just the way you desire. Rapid ramen cooker, one tool to rule them all. You won't need stoves or boilers anymore. Our microwavable cookware is the only thing you'll need to whip up a bowl of your favorite ramen. Less stress, right? Easy peasy cooking. Enjoy hassle-free cooking with our microwavable bowl. Just put your instant ramen in the container and let the microwave do all the work. Reheat and eat. Have some ramen in the fridge? Don't worry about wasting it, because our microwave cooker is perfect for reheating leftovers. Simple cleanup. Don't have the time or energy to do the dishes? Don't worry. Our instant noodle bowl is completely dishwasher safe. Cleaning up after a quick meal has never been this easy. Measuring spoons. Treat yourself to 2 sets worth having. With single metal construction and heavy-duty premium stainless steel, these measuring spoons were built with endurance in mind. They won't rust or bend. These 2 complete sets are beautiful, perform incredibly well, and were designed to last. Magnetic, for easy use and storage. These magnetic spoons let you use 1 spoon at a time, and then they nest together for easy storage. Quickly grab the spoon you need without having to fumble with opening and closing a ring. Save time and hassle with these dual-sided spoons. The oval end is narrow to fit into most spice jars. You won't need to shake spices onto the spoon, so you will save more and waste less of your expensive spices. The round end is perfect for liquids. The spoons also lay flat on the counter without spilling their contents. Save precious time too, since they are dishwasher safe. Complete, accurate set to help you measure spices, medicine, and more. Precise quantity of ingredients is what you need to get great results with cooking and baking. The included levelers help you measure the exact amount required the first time. Pizza cutter rocker. Premium quality, made of food-grade 430 stainless steel blade and PP cover. The pizza rocker knife is incredibly sharp. The whole steel plate is integrated to make no welding, no falling off, not easy to deform and rust. Unique double handles design. The pizza knife adopt the ergonomic double wood handle, helps you cut pizza quickly and comfortably without causing any discomfort to your wrist. The unique double handles make it comfortable in hand and save strength. Curved blade design. Curved sharp blade and arc design makes stress concentration of force, allows you to cut the pizzas easily in one move smoothly. Lemon squeezer. Less effort, more juice. Get maximum juice out of lemons with this lemon squeezer that is easy on hands and requires just a gentle squeeze. It is designed with a grooved bowl that allows for maximum extraction. With a built-in strainer, this lime squeezer allows all the juice to pass through smoothly while catching the seeds and pulp. Save time and space. Having a glass of lemonade or making a delicious marinade takes just a few seconds. Napkin holder for table. The napkin holder for table by Hiwa is a practical addition to any dining setting, beautifully merging functionality with stylish design. With its rustic yet modern aesthetic, It fits seamlessly into both casual and formal environments, making it a versatile choice for various occasions. Crafted from durable iron and finished in an elegant black color, this napkin holder boasts a solid and robust construction. The dimensions of 7.1 inches in diameter and a height of 2.5 inches provide ample space for holding napkins securely without taking up excessive table real estate. At just 0.44 kilograms, 15.5 ounces, it is lightweight enough to be easily moved, yet substantial enough to stay stable, ensuring it won't tip over easily when in use. Customer feedback reflects a high satisfaction rate, with an impressive average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 1,000 reviewers. This highlights the reliability and appeal of the product. It ranks notably at number 2 in its category of napkin holders, indicating its popularity among consumers in the kitchen and dining sector. Pastry brush. Upgraded one-piece design and stainless steel core technology. Owing to one-piece design, the silicone bristles will not break or shed in your food, unlike other bristle brushes. No bacteria will be stuck in the silicone basting brush and keep your food safe. The handle, built with internal steel core, results in a solid durability to our basting oil brush. It is also long enough to get a firm grip, never break and rust. Premium silicone, heat-resistant, electric pepper and salt grinder. Automatic operation. Our electric pepper and salt grinder with gravity sensor switch, you even needn't to press a button. Simply flip the grinder and you will have fresh ground spices, convenient and funny. Battery powered, each grinder requires 6 AAA batteries not included. Adjustable grinder, many grinding levels for your choice, allows you to grind your spices from coarse to fine. Electric pepper and salt grinder, use a high-quality ceramic rotor. You can choose the coarseness of your spice, salt, or pepper by turning adjustment knob at the head of the grinder. Wide applicability. The electric grinder is suitable for pepper, salt, and other solid grain seasonings. Battery-powered, convenient and fast, you can use it anytime and anywhere. This grinder is the good helper for kitchens, restaurants, parties, and outdoor picnics. Chopsticks, made of superior bamboo, healthy bamboo chopsticks, no paint, no wax. 22.5 centimeters length, fits for most people to use, non-slip design, beginners can also use them very well. Classic Japanese minimalism style print at the end, smooth surface, comfortable hand feeling, durable and sturdy. Unique design and colors, come with gift box, a good choice for gifts or household use. Everyone will happy to get them. Dishwasher safe, avoid being kept in the microwave oven. Disinfection cabinets, high temperature or exposure under sunlight. Easy to clean, reusable chopsticks, you can use them for years.